ये काम तो ठीक है तुम कर रही हो, बट आगे चल के घर संभालना है।
बेटा घर का काम तो सीख ही लो, वो तो करना ही पड़ेगा ना। आई डोंट सी देम सेइंग द सेम थिंग टू मेन। आई एम अ फेमिनिस्ट। आई फाउंड माई सेल्फ yesterday when guests came to our home. I found myself standing beside my mother as the only two people जो किचन में खाना बना रहे हैं।
वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ
आओ बहन चुगली करे। आई एम नुपुर।
आई एम अनुश्री और आज हम बात करेंगे
Men, women
एंड हाउसहोल्ड चोर्स। तो नुपुर, मेरे लाइफ में हाउसहोल्ड चोर्स हैज बीन समथिंग व्हिच इज लाइक, अब तो आदत पड़ गई है कि अगर मैं इफ आई एम इन बैड मूड देन आई नीड टू डू समथिंग, सो इट्स काइंड ऑफ दैट काइंड ऑफ अ वेंट। बट एक टाइम था जब ये कंडीशनिंग की जाती थी, बताया जाता था कि ऐसे करना चाहिए, इस तरह से यू हैव टू हैव अ योर ओन स्पेस। व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
आई थिंक इट्स नॉट जस्ट कि आपको ही बताया गया था। पीपल दीज डेज थिंक कि हमारे टाइम तक आते आते तो खत्म हो गया। कौन लड़कियों को बोलता है काम करने के लिए? मैं बताती हूँ कौन बोलता है। हर कोई बोलता है। एवरीबडी टेल्स, स्टिल women are like young girls are being conditioned कि बेटा घर का काम तो सीख ही लो, वो तो करना ही पड़ेगा ना। आई डोंट सी देम सेइंग द सेम थिंग टू मेन। अ स्मॉल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ देम आर, वो बोल रहे हैं अपने घर के लड़कों को, विच इज गुड, बट मोस्टली लड़कियों को ही बोला जाता है। इन फैक्ट आई वॉज सो आउटरेज्ड। आई एम अ फेमिनिस्ट। मेरी लाइफ में मैं इतना स्ट्रांगली स्टैंड लेती हूँ चीजों के लिए, और मैं इतना विमेन के लिए बोलती हूँ। मैं बोलती हूँ कि इनइक्वालिटी नहीं होनी चाहिए, सब कुछ इक्वल होना चाहिए। आई फाउंड माई सेल्फ yesterday when guests came to our home. I found myself standing beside my mother as the only two people जो किचन में खाना बना रहे हैं। एंड देयर इज लाफ्टर का साउंड आ रहा है, सब लोग लिविंग रूम में बैठे हैं, दे आर ईटिंग, दे आर ड्रिंकिंग, दे आर एंजॉयिंग, एंड it hit me in that very moment. What the fuck?
Yeah.
And I realized that nobody has asked us. Nobody
खाना
had
खाया,
yeah,
पानी पिया या कोई चीज जरूरत
everybody was saying अरे ये ले आओ, अरे इनको, तुमने सबको कॉफी सर्व की है, इनको चाय पीनी है, वो बना दो।
Yeah.
कोल्ड ड्रिंक सर्व कर दो, ये बन गया, ये तल गया, पकौड़ी बन गई, बिकॉज आई कुक, दीदी वाज ऑन लीव। बट आई जस्ट रियलाइज दैट टुडे इन दिस डे मैं खड़ी हूँ किचन में with my mother as the only two people who are working right in the kitchen, and it just made my blood boil.
It's funny because and I will say that I'm equally guilty. ये चीज तो इतना ingrained है हम में कि जैसे कोई आता भी है गेस्ट, they are my friends, they probably don't even expect कि I will give them or ask, ठीक है, out of generosity you ask whatever. Even when you guys come, the first, it's like a wiring, right? The first thing that comes to mind in pani pilao, and which is fine as a human. ठीक है, you're taking care of, you're being hospitable, it's fine, but it is generally expected out of women.
Yes.
And especially if it's a household where there are girls.
That's true.
One thing which is I've seen, my husband's, for example, husband's family, there are 3 boys. So in their house it is not, agar there is a house help, that is something else, but definitely it's the women who are expected to, acha, guests aaye hain, to entertain them, to ask them, to be hospitable, while men are sitting there and being chatting with them. In fact, if you really look at it, जो ओपन किचन का सिस्टम जो अभी घरों में आया है, सोच के देखो वो क्यों आया है। क्योंकि पहले क्या होता था, मेरे फादर ने भी ये कहा था कि मैं मामी के घर, वो अपने मामी के घर जाते थे और मामी से वो मिल नहीं पाते थे, बिकॉज मामी इज ऑलवेज बिजी इन द किचन, बच्चे खेल रहे हैं, एंड शी इज फ्रॉम breakfast to lunch to dinner. That's what they are always in that kitchen. So they don't get to spend time in whatever fun is happening in the living room. Hello, the TV bhi us zamane mein, I'm talking about my father's. Or things, do you think have really changed because you're talking about kal ki baat, right?
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. ऐसा नहीं है कि पहले के जमाने में ऐसा हो रहा था, ये अभी भी हो रहा है. In fact, you know, when you were talking about how people come over, तो आपका मन करता है कि you know, अरे मैं पानी पिलाती हूँ, I have something in the fridge, maybe I can offer it to them. That in itself is such a sweet and I think almost an Indian thing to do. You know, that's our culture. You know, कि you know guests are there, so you know let me serve them. And that in itself is not a bad thing. बहुत अच्छी बात है, ये तो अच्छी बात है ना, आप किसी को कुछ ऑफर करना चाहते हो. But the fact that only women are expected to do it, that is what makes it wrong. Because in my family, I'm so lucky I have like a cousin who's like an example of secure, you know, masculine.
Yeah.
So when I go to his home, and he has a wife, when I go to his home, he's the one who's actually doing this, you know, these things. He's offering me water and he's saying, चल बता क्या पिएगी, coffee पिएगी, cold drink पिएगी, क्या बनाऊं तेरे लिए, क्या करूं, and he's the one who's taking care of those things. He's thinking about it. What do I have to, you know, what does Nupur like, what do I cook for her and things like that. But that's an exception. It's an anomaly.
And it is also probably again वही जिस घर में शायद कोई बहन, I don't know if your cousin has a sister or they do, then that's a very balanced upbringing. They are in an anomaly.
Yes, and because their father is somebody who loves to cook.
Yes.
So he's a lord in the kitchen. And he's doing a lot of work around the house. So that's not a gender separated thing for them.
So I'll tell you, Nupur, something which is very personal to me. I grew up in a nuclear household. I never saw my grandparents. Not that it was, you know, by choice. It was more of की compulsion कि मेरे grandparents कोलकाता में थे. And the circumstances of the family were कि my father moved to Delhi and I'm born in Delhi, raised in Delhi. It was a nuclear family. So I never saw कि what is a household where there is a bahu, those dynamics I never saw. I grew up in that kind of a household.
Lucky for you.
I grew up in, and I saw my mother haggling, for example, with construction workers, with plumbers, with making schedules in terms of अच्छा घर के ये काम कराने हैं, because my father was in a very you know, time-consuming role. Okay. He still is an executive secretary to a very big you know conglomerate के जो proprietor है उनके. So he used to travel constantly, but whenever he was at home, he would make sure that he is making lunches for us every day. So, for example, their roles were divided in a way that my mother would oversee my studies and my sister's studies. तो रात को हम पढ़ाई करते थे और माँ दूसरे कमरे में she is reading a newspaper, reading a book or watching television or whatever. We are studying. So, let's say because I used to स्टडी टिल द वी आवर्स, तो 2 बजे मैं अगर सो रही हूँ, मैं बोर्ड्स की बात कर रही हूँ फॉर एग्जांपल, 2 बजे अगर मैं सो रही हूँ तो माँ जाके उसी टाइम थोड़ा पढ़ाई कर ली, ये हो गया, ये फिनिश हो गया, then she'll go and sleep. But she can't wake up at 6 o'clock to get her kids ready for school. That was Baba's job. And ready for school was उनके लिए breakfast बनाना, उनके लिए lunches बनाना. This is what I grew up with.
That's
nice. When you grow up in a system like that, and we don't have any brothers, we are 2 girls. Okay, so वो था ही नहीं कि ये इसका काम है. Having said that, my mother, because she grew up in a brother sister वाला thing, she had this thing ingrained कि लड़कियों को ये काम आने चाहिए. आगे चल के देखो, she used to always say that ये काम तो ठीक है तुम कर रही हो, but आगे चल के घर संभालना है. तुम expect नहीं कर सकती कि you know, I got lucked out or whatever. She would say that I have a husband like that who helps me in the kitchen. But you can't expect everybody, because she was probably aware of what kind of a you know anomaly this household was, which I took like ये ऐसा भी होता है. You know, you think about a 15, 14, 12-year-old kid कि बाहर जाके ऐसा भी होता है. But when I used to go to my cousin's place, I did see that difference. I did see that you know, especially my mother's side के my sister cousins are female cousins are treated differently. They are expected differently. तो ये तो मैंने देखा है. How about what about you know, in your friends circle somewhere, have you, and what do you think कि ये change कभी होगा या नहीं होगा?
I mean, I am really hoping कि ये change हो, and I think that you know with the people जो समझ रहे हैं इस चीज को, they
Hmm.
are I think bringing it in, you know, like
Hmm.
the cousin that I told you about, and then I'm sure that, you know, like I make sure, I have a brother, so I make sure that I tell him that, you know, this is not my job, or this is not
Right.
mummy's job,
Right.
you know, this is a ghar ka kaam,
Right.
so you're supposed to actually know how to do it.
Absolutely.
And it's not about whose role this is about your survival. And
Absolutely.
yes, and that worked out so much for his favor, because now right now he's living in Bangalore,
Yeah.
he's living alone.
Yes.
He has to wash his dishes, he has
Yes.
to wash his clothes, he has to
Yes.
clean his apartment, and
Yes.
turns out he actually likes clean houses more than even we do. And he's the one who's doing it.
Yeah.
And I'm so happy to hear that, you know,
Yeah.
you grew up in a household जहाँ
Yeah.
पे आपको ऐसे फील नहीं कराया गया कि आप लड़की हो तो आपको ये काम करना है. आपने
Yeah.
देखा अपने पापा को
Yeah.
काम करते हुए.
Yeah.
I did not grow up in a household like that. In fact, let me be very honest, मुझे याद है जब मैं बहुत छोटी थी, my mother, she's amazing person, because she told me and my brother कि बेटा खाना बनाना ना कभी बनाना मत भले, पर तुम्हें आना चाहिए.
हाँ.
ठीक है, तुम्हें झाड़ू पोछा कभी नहीं करना पड़े, बट तुम्हें आना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
कभी अगर तुम्हें तुम्हारे लिए जरूरत पड़ गई तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि तुम बिल्कुल हेल्पलेस हो जाओ.
बिल्कुल.
एंड शी टोल्ड दैट थिंग, बट आई रिमेम्बर, सो आई यूज्ड टू थिंक, अब सिर्फ बताने से नहीं होता ना, लेकिन वो बता मुझे रही है कि बेटा करना नहीं है, बट आना चाहिए आपको. बट मैं हर दिन क्या देख रही हूँ, दैट माई मदर इज द वन हु इज कुकिंग, because my grandmother did not allow cooks in the house for a very long time, for a, you know, very रूढ़िवादी सोच and everything. So what I am seeing is that my mother is cooking and my mother is working also. She's going in the morning, she's making lunch, and she's cooking breakfast, and then she's coming back and then she's cooking again, and then evening comes and she's cooking again. So in my mind it was like यार मम्मी इतना काम कर रही है, मैं हेल्प कर दूं मम्मी की. And because I knew how to do those things, so I found myself, I mean, I don't even remember, there wasn't a moment, I think I slowly found myself inching towards the kitchen and towards the work कि मैं मम्मी की हेल्प कर दूं. But it is such a disbalanced scenario. So when my mother, my father and my brother and I are there, so my brother also, you know, I would ask him to do things and he would do it. I remember कि एक बार रोटियां बनानी थी, मम्मी was not well, so I was standing and my brother was standing, so he said आप बेलो मैं सेकता हूँ. My grandmother was there at that time. She came in the kitchen, she saw that, you know, my brother is standing and she started yelling and she said ये क्या करा रही है इससे, ये लड़कों के काम है ये. मैंने कहा क्यों लड़कों के काम नहीं है, मैंने कहा लड़कियों के काम है. कह रही हाँ ये लड़कियों का ही तो काम होता है. एंड शी सेड हटो यहाँ से, हटो तुम हटो यहाँ से, मैं बनाऊंगी, तुझे नहीं बनाना तू मत बना, लड़के से नहीं बनवाएगी तू, मैं बना दूंगी भले ही. एंड शी डिड इट. शी कुड नॉट सी हिम वर्किंग, एंड दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ trickle down thing that you
and
see.
Imagine now where this is you, their daughter, the daughter of the house.
And the daughter.
Now imagine a scenario where a daughter, someone else's daughter comes in and insists on doing this together. Like it's intolerable for.
It is intolerable. उनके लिए ये मतलब उनके दिमाग में थॉट भी नहीं आता है. In fact, yesterday, you know, when I said that we were standing there, so हम पकौड़ियाँ तल रहे थे खड़े होके. Can you see the heat बाहर? कितनी गर्मी है किचन में. I was all drenched and I hate heat. I become a monster. मुझे ऐसा मन करता है धूप में जाके मैं चांटे वाटे बजा दूं जो मुझे सामने दिख रहा है उसके. मुझसे गर्मी नहीं सहन होती, मुझे कमर में पसीना बहता हुआ. I hate summers and I'm standing in that fucking kitchen. पकोड़े तलते हुए.
अब सारी चीज वेस्टर्न कल्चर की खराब तो होती नहीं है. Have you seen in the West there is a culture of barbecues?
Yes.
Where of course the weather helps, but barbecues में क्या होता है, men are there at the grill, women are also there, they are together, they are making things together, women are tossing salads, you know, men are grilling the meat and all that. That is the kind of environment where you think that it is nobody's particular job to be pleasing their guests.
And
man and woman both are hosts.
बिल्कुल.
They are hosts. They are playing hosts. And that should be the idea. It shouldn't be कि subservient आप हो, आप मतलब हाँ invite कर दिया. मैंने खुद, चाहे मैं बाबा की बहुत तारीफ कर रही हूँ, मैंने खुद देखा है बाबा को दोपहर को फोन करते हुए माँ को बोलते हुए कि मेरे कुछ दोस्त आ रहे हैं, ऑफिस के फ्रेंड्स आ रहे हैं, be prepared.
Why do they do this?
Well,
where are they finding the audacity? My father is telling रात को कल सुबह को ना 7 बजे मेरे 4 फ्रेंड्स आएंगे नाश्ते पे, तो कुछ पराठे कचौड़ी से, पराठे कचौड़ी,
Yeah.
कभी पराठा बनाया है आपने? कभी 4 लोगों का पराठा बनाया है जिंदगी में?
Yeah.
डू दे इवन नो व्हाट दे आर आस्किंग फॉर?
Yeah.
वे कहाँ से ऑडेसिटी आ रही है इस चीज को एकदम किसी के ऊपर बस कर लेगी? करती तो करना तो है ही ना,
करना तो है
यही करना तो है ही,
करना तो है. There is no option when there is no option for the woman. There is no other way of thinking for the family.
हाँ,
Right? I would say the family because it's not just the father.
of course
Right?
it's the
So-
I'm telling you, no, my
Yeah,
grandmother is
yeah.
the one who took
Yeah.
my brother out. She's the one whenever I see, thankfully, because of the internet, because of education, whatever reasons, I understand these things. So earlier I remember it was an unthinkable thought कि मैं पापा से पानी मांग लूं,
हाँ. नहीं.
कि मैं बैठी हूँ और
Wow.
पापा खड़े हैं किचन में हैं और मैं बोल दूं कि पापा पानी दे दो ना.
Really?
मेरे लिए अनथिंकेबल थॉट था, क्योंकि मैंने कभी देखा ही नहीं किसी आदमी को कि वो पानी किसी औरत को पकड़ा रहे हैं. I come from that kind of a family.
And that is probably the truth for 90%
Of
of
course,
people.
of
Yeah,
course.
Yeah.
तो अब जब when I started growing up, I realized this is stupid. Why can't I ask him for water? He's not saying no. So I did an experiment in my head. I'll ask Papa for pani. I'll see what he says. So I said कि पापा पानी देना. I said हाँ बेटा लेके आता हूँ. रुको रुको, ठंडा चाहिए? कैसा चाहिए? गरम करके लाऊं? And he brought the water for me.
Yeah.
And then from that
So
day onwards, I realized I can ask.
The barricade is probably
Yeah.
in our mind. Again,
hasn't put there, ना?
Yeah, it's in
डाला गया है ना हमारे
conditioning.
दिमाग में कि आदमी तो काम नहीं करेंगे बेटा, आदमी तो बाहर के काम करते हैं. That's not true.
Acha, I want to ask you this question.
Yeah.
That you were brought up in quite a conservative,
Yes.
इस तरीके से.
Yeah.
But your brother did not turn out to be. You are saying कि he's self-sufficient because cooking, cleaning is a life skill, like
Yes.
you said, right?
Huh.
So how did that happen? I want to know that.
I mean, honestly, it is because number one, my mother was working, and she, in her head, there is no distinction. So she has always treated us
So she
equally.
faced certain roadblocks.
Of course, she did. I
Yeah.
mean, if my
Hats
grandmother,
off to her, man.
oh
to be
yes,
standing her ground
yes,
to raise the children the way she did.
absolutely.
Yeah. Yeah.
That is one of the most, that's the main reason.
Yeah.
Second reason is the reason why elder daughters are called parentified daughters.
Yeah.
I think I really brought him up like that,
Yeah. Yeah.
because I could see the things, that I see in other men, and I was like, I will never let my brother turn out like this. He will not become an stupid alpha male red pill person. And in my head, I was very clear. I was like,
Yeah.
I will tell him everything. I will make him emotionally mature. He should know how to listen to women. He should know कि घर का काम कैसे करना है. He should not become dependent on any woman. Nobody is a knocker who will come for him or who will stay with him in his home and cook for him and everything. So I remember that I used to be very clear. I said कि नहीं नहीं ये काम तुम करो, because nobody else was asking me to do it. I remember plate उठा के रखना भी was a big thing.
और ये सबकॉन्टिनेंट की प्रॉब्लम है.
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
जापान में देखो, कोरिया में देखो, आई थिंक इवन पार्ट्स ऑफ चाइना, स्कूल्स में आफ्टर स्कूल बच्चों से टॉयलेट से लेके,
yes,
स्कूल्स की सफाई के लेके, स्कूल में पोछा से लेके सब कुछ कराते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
और इसमें वो कोई मेल और फीमेल का डिस्टिंक्शन नहीं है.
yes,
ये सबकॉन्टिनेंट की प्रॉब्लम है, जहाँ
बिल्कुल.
पे हम लोग वो अब एवरीथिंग ट्रिकल्स डाउन टू, sorry to say that, but yes, it is patriarchy.
Of course.
ये काम हमारा है, यहाँ बैठते हैं ये लोग, यहाँ बैठते हैं ये लोग, ये सारी चीजें वहीं से आती हैं.
बिल्कुल. ये जो बना दिया ना उन्होंने कि मारी छोरी छोरों से कम है, के उन्होंने छोरियां तो बहुत ऊपर पहुंचा दी. वो छोरों को नहीं सिखा पाए कि छोरियों वाले काम भी करने हैं.
और
छोरियां आर डूइंग एवरीबॉडीज वर्क.
ऑल्सो छोरियों से कम है कि बोलने आपने बिठा दिया
एग्जैक्टली
छोरों को यहाँ
उनके
पे.
स्टैंडर्ड पे
छोरियों को
no
यहाँ पे
comparison.
बिठा के फिर आप कह रहे हो कि छोरियां. तो अगेन why to put anybody up there or down
exactly.
there? This is what exactly the thing is.
इक्वल ट्रीटमेंट घर पे तो हो ही सकता है ना.
Yeah,
मतलब
और घर से ही शुरू होती हैं सारी
of
चीजें.
course. मुझे कोई बाहर जाके तो नहीं बोलेगा कि ये लड़की जा खाना बना दे. मुझे तो घर में ही बताया गया है ना कि तुम खाना बना दो. If mummy is not well, then I was asked के रोटी बना दोगी क्या? And because I knew, I was like हाँ बना दूंगी. But then I started realizing मेरे भाई से तो कोई नहीं बोल रहा है रोटी बनाने के लिए.
क्योंकि वही बात वहीं पे घूम के आ जाती है कि क्योंकि अनफॉर्चुनेटली लड़कियों को इवेंचुअली जाना है कहीं और. if you really boil it down to that thing, it's not nothing, it has nothing to do with, हो सकता है माँ बाप के नजर में ये डिफरेंस नहीं है कि मेरा बेटा है और मेरी बेटी है, ये फ्राइट है, ये एंजाइटी है कि मेरी बेटी को मुझे छोड़ना है, कहीं और उसको जाना है, और वहां जाके वो इट शुड बी यू नो it is, I'm not saying it's a good thought,
Yeah.
I'm saying this is what the thing is. It boils down to the fact that women are beholders and they are upholding this tradition of honor. सबसे बड़ी बात कि हमारी इज्जत इसके कंधे पे है, why again, और आगे चल के इसको अपना घर संभालना है, as though it is only her duty to घर संभालो, only her duty to be able to, and then you put the boj of having a career. This is another added layer.
This makes no sense to me. मुझे नहीं समझ में आता है कि आप कैसे एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो एक पूरे जेंडर से that your responsibility, first of all, you're growing up in this home, but this is not your home.
Yeah.
There's some random home that you're going to be sent off to, where you have to go and work and cook for them and clean for them, and now in today's scenario also earn for them. It makes no sense to me.
I'll tell you, since you told your personal experience, I'll tell you a very personal experience from my life where this is obviously a different phase of my life. I come from another broken marriage or whatever. So in that scenario, it had happened that whether I am expecting a child, whether I am in whatever phase of my mind, there are certain things that I am supposed to be doing, So that thing actually kind of hollows you out, especially when you are expected to be also out there, to be earning for the family, and to be coming back and to have that pressure of running a household. That was, again, you can't have, and I think somewhere we made a mistake, women made a mistake of not understanding what the trap is. The trap is, yes, you are educated, yes, you are empowered, that you will go out and you will earn and everything, but there are certain things that are expected from you, beta. There are certain things that are expected from the household that is yours.
That's true.
So I'm talking about modern women, urban women, emancipated women like you and me.
Yes.
Maybe it does sound a little entitled sitting here.
Of course.
I am, sitting in Delhi NCR. I come from a certain demography, and to say कि ये थोड़ी ना हमारा काम है, हम तो आजाद औरतें हैं, आजाद ख्याल की औरतें हैं. But ऐसा नहीं है. If you actually look at in subcontinent, ये जो it boils down to कोई भी किसी भी डेमोग्राफी की औरत हो, वो expectation of running that household is lying on her shoulders.
That's true.
And then you have this entire thing of nurturer.
Yes.
Women, तो उनके में तो होता ही है nurturing quality, and if that woman is not a nurturer, then there is something wrong with it.
Exactly. There's a lot on the woman's shoulder only.
Yeah.
Because, and the fact that it's still happening, and of course we know that worse bhi ho raha hai.
Yeah.
But I mean, thanks to the feminists before us, कि हम यहाँ बैठ के इस बारे में बात कर पा रहे हैं,
बिल्कुल,
और हम अपनी लाइफ वैसी नहीं होने दे रहे हैं, to the level that we can, right? Because I remember the very same thing what you are talking about. जब मेरी मम्मी की जॉब लगी थी, so I remember like मेरा भाई बहुत छोटा था, LKG में होगा, तो मैं यानी फर्स्ट सेकंड में होंगी, 3 साल का डिफरेंस है. So I remember कि जब पहली बार पोस्टिंग गवर्नमेंट जॉब उनकी लगी, तो जब पहली आपको पोस्टिंग मिलती है ना, वो ज्यादातर काफी दूर मिलती है. तो उनको कोई संत रविदास नगर कोई पोस्टिंग मिली, और हम मेरठ में रहते हैं, तो मेरठ से वहां इम्पॉसिबल टू ट्रैवल एंड यू वुड हैव टू शिफ्ट. एंड आई रिमेम्बर, बहुत छोटी थी मैं, फिर मुझे याद है कि एवरीबडी इन द फैमिली वाज सेइंग कि अरे क्या जरूरत है करने की, कोई जरूरत नहीं है, बच्चों को छोड़ के जाना पड़ेगा, बच्चे कैसे पलेंगे, बच्चों का ख्याल रखना ही तो मेन होता है, ऐसे ऐसे करके थिंग्स वर लाइक दैट. माय मदर hats off to her, man. She is such a strong woman.
Yeah.
उनमें इतनी हिम्मत है ना, मतलब मैं इमेजिन नहीं कर पाती कि उन्होंने कैसे अपना स्टैंड लिया होगा चीजों को
Yeah,
लेके.
yeah.
Because
Given
I'm
it's
sure
not-
बहुत pressure होगा.
Sorry to say that, but it's a toxic
Yes,
environment,
yes,
right?
yes. So I remember my mother did not back off
Hmm.
when the first time she got posted. So the posting that she finally got was Saharanpur.
Hmm.
So Meerut to Saharanpur
Hmm.
is a 4-hour train ride,
Hmm.
one side.
Hmm.
ठीक है. Now my mother has, everybody was telling her not to work. She has taken this stand. What was my mother's schedule like? And I remember it so clearly because my heart was breaking for her.
My God.
I'm like sort of tearing up right now.
I am, my God. I have
Yes,
goosebumps.
मेरी मम्मी सुबह को 3:30 बजे, सुबह नहीं रात होती है वो, सुबह के 3:30 बजे उठ रही हैं. She is making our breakfast. She is making our tiffins. She is making everybody else's breakfast. She is making their lunch. She is making her lunch.
This is vindictive behavior.
Yes,
I'm so sorry.
and in our home we were not allowed to have house help for so long. She was washing dishes.
My God.
She was cleaning the house, and then at around 5 she was taking a train
Just
from the
because
train
she took
station.
a stand, just
Yes.
because मैं काम
क्योंकि ये
करूंगी.
काम तो करना ही है ना तुम्हें, ये तो
आप-
करना ही
exactly.
पड़ेगा.
बाकी
ये काम तो
देखो
करना
तुम,
पड़ेगा.
हाँ.
Yeah, तुमने अपनी मर्जी से करी है. To this day my mother hears this thing. अपनी मर्जी से करी है जॉब, ये तो काम करना ही है. So her schedule was this. Then she's going to school. 5 a.m. she's taking the train. She's reaching the school. She's in the real world. She's fighting for
Yeah.
her position.
Yeah.
She's working. She's giving her best. She's coming back home. By the time she's back, it's like 7, 8. What is she doing? She's cooking again. She's washing dishes again. And then she's going back to sleep. And I'm sure she had homework that she had to give to the kids that she must be working
Yeah.
on in the night.
Yeah.
And then she's going back to sleep, and then she's waking up at 3:30 in the morning again.
Yeah.
And to hear men say कि ऐसा कहाँ होता है,
I'll tell you कहाँ
and
होता
to
है.
hear women say also, you know, कि कहाँ होता है.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you're talking about your mom's.
Yeah.
So which is probably 20 years or
Yeah, 2004.
Yeah.
So yes.
So, yeah,
yes,
20
yes,
years
20
exactly.
years. Yeah.
I'm talking about last 2-3 years. I have a niece,
Hmm.
okay, who's in her 20s. She just split up.
Hmm.
When she was talking to the lawyers, की problem क्या है? एक तो if women split up, unless the person he's not actually physically
Yeah,
hitting
abused,
or
हाँ.
abuse, or if she splits up and says that the environment there is not right, I'm not treated well, और उसके अगर reasons ये होते हैं कि and I'll give you the example because I did sit down and talk to her. She's married and they are from Air Force background. Okay, this person, the Sasur, is retired Air Force official.
अच्छा.
Okay, this woman, unke she's a teacher. The Sas is a teacher and the husband is a techie. Okay. जब शादी का रिश्ता वगैरह हुआ था, the boy was in UK and वो कुछ टाइम के लिए वो बाहर गई थी और फिर 1-2 महीने बाद ही उसको वापस भेज दिया था कि मैं आ रहा हूँ, तुम जाओ. ठीक है. I'm talking about she's married probably 6 months.
Okay.
And she broke down saying, and she is herself an MBA, by the way.
Oh.
She's a highly, qualified person who got married thinking कि ठीक है, I'll also pursue my own career and all that. She is newly married. 6 महीने हुए हैं शादी को. The सास goes away. School सुबह सुबह खुलता है. She would come and bang at their door so that early morning she'll bang at the door so that the wife comes out, उसको उठा के, so that she makes roti phulka for the sasur. Nashta. And I'm talking about 2025. So
People who think this is an exception,
yeah, it's not.
don't even know कि यही norm है. ये हो रहा है हर किसी के साथ.
Yeah.
90% of the, people are working like this only.
Yeah.
They are actually waking up their daughters and daughter-in-laws and wives and whatnots,
Yeah.
and are asking and demanding them
Yeah.
to do certain
Yeah.
things.
And she would, she had at that time no choice but to, ठीक है, I'm adjusting in the household. She would talk to her husband.
Yeah.
Arranged marriage again. Arranged marriage. and she would try to talk to her husband. तो husband apparently said कि मेरी colleagues तो करती हैं, तो तुम्हें क्या problem है ये सब करने में? दुनिया भर की औरतें करती हैं, मैं जहाँ पे काम करता हूँ, very highly placed, the women in my organization, they all do it, they are my friends, they all do it. What तुम्हें कोई सुरखाप के पड़ लगे हुए हैं जो तुम नहीं करोगी? So
this makes me
and I'm talking about
physically angry.
Yeah,
because every man out there,
yeah,
with the exception of course few, are using the same argument. सब करते हैं, तुम क्यों नहीं कर सकती हो? सब करते हैं, सब एडजस्ट करते हैं, सब शादी के बाद कहीं और जाते हैं, सब खाना बनाते हैं, सब औरतें करती हैं, तुम्हें क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
yeah.
The fact that they, and I'm sure they genuinely believe
Yeah,
कि औरत का ही तो काम है.
True.
और जो आदमी का काम है वो भी तो औरत कर रही है, लेकिन
Exactly.
no.
जब आप
What
ये
does it
रिश्ता
mean?
देखते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल,
Yeah.
अगर अरेंज मैरिज की बात करें,
हाँ.
अगर रिश्ता देखते हैं और आप देख रहे हैं कि ओ दिस particular girl who is suitable for my son, she is earning this much
Yeah.
package, that means you are thinking in your head, and 100% I'm telling you, they are thinking in the head, this is the kind of money she is bringing
बिल्कुल
home.
बिल्कुल.
It is another kind of,
People talk about it.
Correct.
अरे इसके लिए रिश्ता देख रहा है, ये ना इसकी बहू ना इतना कमाती है, इतना पैसा
आएगा घर पे
हर महीने.
आप ये सोच रहे हैं,
बिल्कुल
ये सोच रखते हैं, एंड एट द सेम टाइम आप ये भी सोच रहे हैं कि घर में इसको ये काम भी करना है.
काम तो वही करेगी ना.
करेक्ट.
औरतें तो करती हैं.
So there is no going, I don't think there is going to be an end to this conversation.
But the fact that मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि जैसे जो मेरी जनरेशन है, कि मैं अगर इतनी अवेयर हो गई हूँ तो आई एम श्योर कि मेरे साथ के जो लड़के हैं वो भी अवेयर हो गए होंगे. नो. मुझे लगा फ्यूचर जनरेशंस थोड़ी अवेयर हो गई होंगी. नो.
So I think we are going back to that conversation. शायद इसीलिए female friendships are important, ताकि बैठ के हम भड़ास निकाल सके. But I really, maybe it's a cynical way of looking at things. There are very few men who actually genuinely think that ये औरतों का काम नहीं है, ये दोनों मिलके, और ये तभी हो सकता है, पता है नुपुर, and I'm coming from some experience in life, ये तभी हो सकता है जब genuinely the man and the woman, they consider that relationship dynamic equal.
Yes.
And there is no third party involved, including her parents, including his parents,
100%.
or even the child.
Yes, of course.
Because
it's a partnership between two people.
Absolutely.
और वो एक दूसरे को equal समझें.
So,
इसीलिए वो
जब तक ये नहीं होगा, जब तक तुम्हारी और मेरे ऐसी औरतें will not raise our boys thinking that, thinking this, कि he is going to be one half of a relationship which is equal.
Yes.
So he also needs to, have all the skills that is required, emotional skills, household running skills, management skills, because it's a management skill.
वही.
Right? It's not free labor.
There's one more thing कि लोगों को लगता है ना कि हमारे यहाँ तो काम वाले लगे हुए हैं, तो अब तो उनको कुछ नहीं करना पड़ रहा. उन्हें ये नहीं पता कि एक मेंटल लोड भी होता है. If the woman is not even physically doing it, she has to plan everything. She has to make sure कि घर में अगर कुक आ रही है या कुक आ रहा है तो सब्जियां कितनी हैं, मसाले तो नहीं कम हो गए हैं, राशन तो नहीं कम हो गया है. These are also the kind of things.
Yes.
There's truly no end to this, because I'm seeing, and it broke my heart to realize that even 16-17-year-olds are still thinking like that.
Yeah.
They actually argue, because I had this conversation with one of the people that I know. So that person was saying, he's a 16-17-year-old child. He was saying कि तो क्या हो गया, लड़कियां तो करती हैं ना, मैं बाहर के काम भी तो करता हूँ. And I said, ये नहीं करती है बाहर के काम. And he said कि हाँ, पर इतने नहीं करती ना जितने मैं करता हूँ. I said, that's not true.
इसको quantify कैसे करोगे?
Yes, ये तो आपको लग रहा है ना.
Yeah.
That's not true. मैंने कहा आपको घर का काम करना आना चाहिए. मैंने कहा जो तुम काम करते हो ना बाहर जाने वाला, वो हफ्ते में एक बार काम या महीने में एक बार काम. जो विमेन काम कर रही है ना तुम्हारे घर में, they are doing 24/7 constantly. मैंने कहा इसका कोई इक्वालिटी नहीं है यहाँ पे बिल्कुल भी. एंड तुम्हें आना चाहिए. कल को तुम बाहर निकलोगे, अपने घर से बाहर जाओगे, तुम्हें सरवाइव कैसे करोगे भाई? घर लेकर रहोगे कहीं पे भी, कैसे करोगे? काम करवाने के लिए रख लोगे, चलो किसी को काम करवाना आता है, पता है काम कैसे होता है, करवाने के लिए भी तो काम आना चाहिए ना. So it really broke my honestly heart. But yes, you're right, it's sad. But I think we should end the episode on a positive note.
Yeah.
And I would like to like share कि मेरी जिंदगी में बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जिनको मैं देखती हूँ अब
Yeah.
जो एक्चुअली इन जेंडर स्टीरियोटाइप्स को स्पेशली फॉर हाउस होल्ड चोर्स
Yes.
बिल्कुल डिसमेंटल करते हैं एंड आई
Yeah.
एम सो प्राउड ऑफ
Absolutely.
दोस पीपल एंड
Yeah.
फॉर देयर फैमिलीज
Yeah.
आल्सो
Yeah.
आई नो ऐसे लड़कों को जो घर में खाना बनाते हैं हर दिन
Yeah.
जो सफाई करते हैं जो
Yeah.
सोचते हैं कि मेरे घर
Yeah.
में किस चीज की जरूरत है मुझे
Yeah.
क्या करना है
Yeah.
मुझे किस चीज का
Absolutely.
ख्याल रखना है
I know of
Yeah.
a couple who
Hmm.
has the woman is in a high
Hmm.
octane job.
Yeah.
Plus, she is a very well known creator, influencer,
yeah.
artistic person. The husband has taken the role of running the household.
That's so wonderful.
And there is the dynamic has nothing to do with कि मैं मर्द हूँ या तुम औरत हो या तुम औरत हो या मैं मर्द हूँ. There's absolutely nothing
Yes.
because see, you have to have a home.
Yes.
You have to have children. I mean,
Bilkul.
have to have if you want
Yeah,
to.
you want to, yeah.
Then you have to have those things that you have to have.
Yeah.
तो ऐसा तो नहीं है कि ये हम यहाँ पे टैटू लिखवा के आए थे कि हम ही करेंगे. हम पैदा कर रहे हैं भाई. आदमियों का भी तो रोल रहा है.
Exactly. Yeah.
So
however
it has-
short it is, but yeah. Sorry.
Okay. Yeah, in a such a bleak topic,
Yep.
ये सही है. But yeah, so
Yes.
ठीक है, छोटा ही सही, but रोल तो रहा है.
That's what she said.
And she's also like, yeah, I know what you're talking about.
She knows. But yes,
Yeah.
I mean, it's good कि हमारे
Yeah.
सामने ये examples भी हैं
Yes.
of people जो actually in roles को
Yeah.
reject कर रहे हैं
Yeah.
and I think that people like us
Yeah,
who also are rejecting to
Yeah.
stay in places which
Absolutely.
treat them like that,
absolutely.
I think we might be okay.
But we still get influenced like you did.
I
right?
mean, that's very deep conditioning.
Yeah.
And then I also, what I did, when I was doing this, I realized it midway. And because they were guests, so I could not do anything about it at that moment. But later on, I had a conversation with my father. And मैंने उनको बोला, मैंने कहा पापा मुझे ना सुबह से एक बात बहुत खराब लग रही है. And he said क्या हो गया बेटा? And I said कि पापा आपको रियलाइज हुआ कि घर में इतने गेस्ट्स आए. मैंने कहा मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है घर में कोई आता है उनको खिलाना पिलाना सब चीजें करना. मैंने कहा बट आपने रियलाइज किया कि सिर्फ मैं और मम्मी खड़े हुए थे किचन में.
You had that conversation.
Yeah.
Good.
And he said कि हाँ लेकिन मैं बुला तो and he was actually बार बार वो बुला रहे थे कह रहे नुपुर तुम भी आ जाओ संजू आ जाओ
काम कौन
करेगा.
Yeah.
And he said कि मैं बुला तो रहा था तुम्हें बट हाँ फिर काम कैसे.
Yeah.
मैंने कहा हाँ पापा. मैंने कहा लेकिन ये ठीक नहीं है. तो
Okay.
my father, of course he is not a very liberal. He is like yeah you're right, I will cook next time. He's not like that.
Yeah.
He said अरे तो फिर मतलब क्या करना चाहिए था, क्या मैं पकौड़े बनाता. मैंने कहा हाँ.
अच्छा
मतलब क्या प्रॉब्लम है.
एक चीट कोड मैं अपने
हाँ.
तरह से अगर बोलूं
हाँ प्लीज.
जो हो सकता है हमारे पापाओं को या जो भी हमें सुन रहा हो. देयर इज वन चीट कोड इज दैट अगर कुछ ऐसे लोग आए
हाँ.
the simple cheat code is please outsource, get food ordered.
Girl, that's another conversation because we decided to make few things that are very nicely made and also to get from outside so that no load is on anyone. We can make things keep and bring from outside and keep. हमें अगर बोला गया है कि ऐसे अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, खाना तो घर का ही बना हुआ अच्छा लगता है.
That is where you take a stand. That is where you take a stand कि हो सकता है घर का अच्छा हो. I mean, I know it's easier said, but
it's easier said because when you're in that environment where 5 people are saying that thing to you and you know what kind of.
और ये चीज है ना, sorry, I might
please.
be ranting a little, but the truth is that ये चीज थोड़ा condition इस तरीके से भी होता है कि अरे प्रिया तुम तो बहुत अच्छा खाना बनाती हो, तुम्हारे हाथ का खाना हमने सुना है बहुत अच्छा है.
मेरे को बोल रहे थे
स्पेशलिटी
क्या चीज कॉर्न रोल बनाया तूने यार, मजा आ गया. मैंने कहा खा लो आखिरी बार, अब खड़ी होंगी मैं किचन में. आई एक्चुअली जेन्युइनली मैंने कल डिसाइड किया कि ब्रो यू आर अ ग्रोन अप and you get to decide what you want to do and what you don't want to do. I love those people, whoever came to my home. I like it. I like serving also. I like when people are eating at my home. I don't want to be the only woman standing in the kitchen. I want men to be there too.
Yeah.
So when my father said कि अरे बेटा फिर मैं क्या करता बताओ, मैं क्या पकौड़े बनाता. मैंने कहा हाँ पापा पकोड़े बना सकते हो, आप साइड में खड़े हो सकते हो,
Yeah.
मम्मी डाल सकती हो, आप सेक सकते हो, आप निकाल सकते हो।
बिल्कुल।
एंड ही सेड कि अच्छा हाँ चल मैं ध्यान रखूंगा, चल अगली बार से ध्यान रखूंगा, मैं कोशिश करेंगे, किसी को बाहर से भी बुला लेंगे बनाने के लिए। मैंने कहा हाँ डू दैट। मैंने कहा लेकिन मैं और मम्मी नहीं होने चाहिए किचन में अकेले खड़े हुए पसीने बहाते हुए। सो एट दैट टाइम माय फादर सेड के तुझे पता तो है मुझे गर्मी में कितनी चिढ़ मचती है। मैंने कहा मुझे कितनी चिढ़ मचती है आपको पता है क्या? मैंने कहा जितनी आपको मचती है ना उससे 10 गुना ज्यादा चिढ़ मचती है मुझे। आई हेट इट।
इट्स द सेम, गर्मी आपको लगती है, गर्मी मम्मी को भी लगती है, गर्मी मुझे भी
Exactly.
लगती है। सो
And he said, अच्छा,
solutions,
अच्छा,
yeah.
समझ रहा हूँ मैं। So the fact that we are able to do it, I mean that's
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
And also there are people जिनको मैं जानती हूँ, my friends, my
Yeah,
cousins, my brother, you know, people are there जो actually are able to, you know, understand कि सिर्फ किसी औरत का काम नहीं है। So I'm
Hoping.
I hope
Yeah.
we'll be saved.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so this was the episode. I think we have emptied out a little, but
Yep.
बहुत इस बारे में तो I think हम सारे दिन बात कर सकते हैं.
Yes.
But this is it for this time.
Yes,
And,
but
yeah.
we would love it अगर आप लोग भी अपने ऐसे एक्सपीरियंसेस हमारे साथ शेयर करो, कमेंट्स में बताओ,
Yeah.
डीएम्स में बताओ।
Yeah.
वी ऑफ कोर्स यू नो हमें चुगली बहुत पसंद है, हमें स्टोरीज बहुत पसंद है।
Yes.
तो जैसे हमने शेयर किया, इफ यू वांट आप भी शेयर कर सकते हो, कमेंट्स में हमें बता सकते हो। सो या
That's it for now.
यस, सी यू इन द
बार-
नेक्स्ट एपिसोड।
Yes.
ऑलराइट,
Bye-bye.